let's try to solve Leetcode problem 2455, words within two edits of a dictionary. Let's first try to understand the problem. I think this problem is just really easy. If we can understand the problem, normally it should be really easy to solve. So we have two arrays. We have a query array and a dictionary array. And we have the length of each word inside the queries, or we have the length inside each word of the dictionary. So the length gonna be the same. So for example, the length is 4, and here the length is also 4. And we need to understand what is the edit. So in one edit, you can take a word from queries. So for example, we take a word from queries. It is this word, and change any letter in it to any other letter. So for example, we can change this letter R to O to make it equal. We need to find all words from the queries that after a maximum of 2 edits equals some word from dictionary. So for example, this word, we can change this R to O, and here we have this wood. So it means this is a valid word inside the queries. And we just need to put this word inside of the result. And finally, we just need to return a list of all words from queries. So for example, this is word and note and wood. So for this wood, maybe we can find this wood. So the edit distance is less than 2. So we're gonna put it inside. So the straightforward way is we're gonna use the 2 loops. First of all, we're gonna loop through the queries, and then we're gonna loop through the words inside of the dictionary. And then we're gonna check this word with the word inside of the dictionary. So the time complexity would be, this is the length of the queries would be n, and the length of the dictionary is also n, and the length of every word is also n, so it is n cubic. So n is 100, so that is why it can pass, because it is 10 to the power of 6. Now we're gonna start coding. So I'm gonna define a function. It's gonna call tag. So I'm gonna have 2 word. Let me make it word 1 and word 2. So I'm gonna check it. So the result would be equal to 1. So I'm gonna check its letters inside of the 2 word, inside word 1 with word 2. So I'm gonna zip it. So if A not equal to B, result would plus equal to 1. So finally, I'm gonna return this result would be less than equal to 2. So this is just to check if 2 word it is a valid edit or not. If it is a valid edit, so the check would be true. So now I'm gonna loop through the queries for Q inside the queries. So for word inside the dictionary. So if check Q with this word, if it is a valid, so I'm gonna put it inside of the result array. So I'm gonna put the Q inside of the result array. After that, I'm gonna have a break immediately because I don't want to put the duplicate. So finally, I'm gonna return this result. So the result would be an empty array from the definition. So this is the entire code. Now let's just check if it works. Now let me submit it. As you can see, it works, and it's really fast. And the time complexity is O n cubic, because this is 2 for loops, and this check is also O n time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.